Hi guys, hope you're all well. So, makeup without lipstick means that this video is going to be a lip swatch video. Yay! So, I have received Nykaa mini So Matte lipsticks, the entire set, and I thought of swatching them for you. So, the review wise, there is nothing new there. This is not a new launch. In fact, this is a miniature launch of the already existing So Matte range. So I'm not sure whether the shades are new or not. I'll find out and mention it on the screen as well as in the bottom bar. So the press kit was very cute. This is the box the minis came in. They're pretty small. This is the size. To be honest, they look pretty fragile. I have used mini from Sugar Cosmetics. The thumb rule is that you should not twist up the lipstick all the way up. You have to make sure that you have just the right amount of lipstick exposed and you have to work with it. If you twist all the way up, then you probably end up with a broken bullet. Yeah, that's my small tip. These lipsticks are priced at ₹199. I think these are really good to throw in your purse if you're going to work or if you are traveling, and you can apply these on the go. So these are from So Matte range, so they are not like entirely flat matte. They are more like creamy matte, and I'll link my previous video where I have reviewed So Matte lipstick in the bottom bar. You can go and check out the review. The pigmentation is good. The staying power is pretty decent. Like, you'll get a staying power of good 4 to 5 hours with these. So yeah, let's just quickly jump into the swatches.
Ryan Little.
So yeah, those were the swatches. Right now I have Spicy Cabranet 16M, and it's a very pretty color and it's going really well with my eye makeup. So yeah, those were the swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed watching them, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.